If you're looking into BlacktoothAI, one of the best just released AI softwares out right now, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end because there's a hidden feature that almost nobody's talking about, but it changes everything. You can try BlacktoothAI completely free from the first link below, and after testing thousands of AI tools, this one stood out fast. So what exactly is BlacktoothAI? BlacktoothAI is a powerful all-in-one AI platform designed for content creators, digital marketers, and even small businesses who want to save time, automate tasks, and get real results without bouncing between 10 different apps. It's brand new, but it's already making waves. First, the interface is stupid simple. No endless menus, no overwhelm. Whether you're using AI for the first time or you've tested every GPT wrapper under the sun, this one is plug and play. It feels like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Jasper had a baby, but one that doesn't overcomplicate things. Second, it's fast. Response times are snappy, and that's huge when you're creating content on a deadline or responding to client requests in real time. Third, BlacktoothAI gives you built-in templates for email campaigns, blog posts, ad copy, landing pages, and even client proposals. These aren't basic one-liners either. They're structured and optimized. I tested their email builder for a cold outreach campaign, and the open rates jumped by 21%. Next, it has a context memory feature that actually works. You can feed it your business tone, audience details, or product info once, and it remembers, so you're not retyping the same things over and over. For marketers and agencies, this is a massive time saver. Another big win, team collaboration. Most AI tools are built for solo users. BlacktoothAI lets you share workflows, leave comments, and assign tasks inside the platform. For teams or client-facing projects, that's a game changer. Security-wise, it's GDPR compliant and offers encryption on your saved prompts and outputs. That might sound boring, but if you're handling sensitive client data or proprietary ideas, you need it. And finally, this is the feature I mentioned earlier. BlacktoothAI comes with live optimization suggestions. As you're writing or generating anything, it gives real-time improvement ideas for clarity, SEO, and tone based on your target audience. I haven't seen this executed this well in other platforms, and it seriously boosts the quality of what you publish. Overall, BlacktoothAI lives up to the hype. It's clean, fast, smart, and actually built for the real-world needs of marketers and creators. If you're curious, grab the free trial from the first link below. No credit card needed. And if you're exploring the best AI tools out there, I've listed my personal top picks in the description. All tested, all free to try. Thanks for watching.